I gotta dig this one out. This is my last target at this site today. I'm gonna go down and look at a street tear out that they're pulling out right now. Jim just called me up and told me that they were pulling out some street sidewalks in a really old part of town. So oh, it's a buckle right there, man. Is it a buckle? Oh yeah, it's a buckle. Sweet. Just go off, man. Right there. It's a buckle. Man, hell yeah, babe. Bring it on, man. Bring it on. Right there. Yeah, bring it on, man. A lot of iron in this area right here. My bag is full of iron. But cool little buckle there. Awesome, man. Clean it up here a little bit. My battery's about ready to die in my GoPro, so my video might end here abruptly. Awesome, man. Oh, it's still got the clasp inside of it. The clasp that moves back and forth. It's right there. See that? Probably even still moves. Sweet little buckle, man. Now, I said it was gonna be my last target, but I'm gonna dig a little bit more around this area. I'm in 11.3 kilohertz, 81 gain. Some iron there. A lot of car parts and junk over here. Pop cans too. Oh, hitting something hard there. It's probably a rock. Yeah, it's a rock. Oh. It's in that little plug that just came out right there. Let's put this away here. Easy with it. All right. Another little buckle right there. Right there. Another little buckle. Right there, man. Right there. Sweet. That one actually has another little part to it. Go really easy with it. Right there, man. A little buckle right there. Looks like a strap to a saddle or something. It's one of the smallest strap buckles to a harness. I'm not sure what to make of this one. I'm gonna dig a bigger hole here. Oh man, I just broke it. Oh dude. I just heard some glass break, but there is a lot of glass in this area too, so. Oh man. Put my knee pads up here because I don't want to get cut up by glass. I can already see some zinc in the soil there, so. My pinpointer's dead. I'll use my MI4 for now, I guess. Right there. Some junk. It didn't sound very good, so yeah, some junk. Some zinc on it. What the hell? I don't know. Some junk. It didn't sound very good. I wasn't getting very good tone around it, but overload. Right, it's a pop can. It's like a womp, womp, womp. Right. pop can. Something big. Major overload here. Probably a pop can. This is a spot where I just gotta dig everything, right? The spot where you gotta dig everything, right? So, right there. Right there. It's a mason lid right there. Right on the surface, mason lid. It's probably not fully intact since I broke it. Right? Yeah, I broke it. Get rid of some of this glass out of it. Right. It's a bowl. There's a lot of mason lids here. So I dig up a lot of mason lids here, and I break a lot of them too, because some of them are on the surface, some of them are deep. Another target right here. Gotta go easy with it, right? Oh boy. Big tree root right there. I think it's a tree root. Go easy with it, right? Oh, it's a couple spoon. It's one spoon right there. It's a spoon right there. Yeah. Yeah, man. Check this one out, man. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. It made a perfect little impression. I thought there was 2 spoons in there, but it wasn't. Make sure there's no silver dimes in there, right? Right there. Crazy, man. Yeah. Bring it on, man. Yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, man. Very interesting. Some big iron there. This could be another mason lid right near the surface. Sounds like something really big. So, and full tones, 81 gain, 11 kilohertz. Be really easy with that, right? Be really easy with it. Come on, just. Oh, it's not looking good, man. It's gonna be something really humongous. If it was overloading like that and it's this deep, right? It's gonna be something gigantic, man. But I'll still go easy with it, right? Oh, there's roots down there too. And sticks and all kinds of stuff. Okay. What the hell's that bowl? Oh, it's just soil. Overloading on the soil there. Let's see what we got down there, man. Kind of feel it out a little bit. Just feel it out a little bit. Something big. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Is it a horseshoe? Come on, come on, come on, baby. No. Car part. There's a lot of car parts over here. The first time I came to this site, man, I was getting some huge stuff. But you got to clear that ground out, right? You got to clear the ground out, man. I filled up quite a few 5-gallon buckets full of junk. There used to be a homestead right here, a farm site. And this area right here is their burn pile. Right on the edge of their burn pile. Come over here and show you. Right. All right, dig out some iron here. Clear the ground out a little bit here. My bag is completely full of junk. All right. I've gotten a few good finds today, just in the hour that I've been here. Something big. Right here, some iron. It could be a horseshoe, man. Yeah. Some junk, some deep iron. Yeah. It didn't sound very good, but I still want to see what's down there, right? Just curious, man. Just a little bit curious. Oh boy, it's a chain. I see it. It's a big wad of chain there or something. These car parts galore here, man. It's a big hinge right there. Look at that. Big hinge. I'll throw that up in my tree because I got some iron around the tree that I still need to get out too. That was too big to put in my bag. But, you know, glass coming out there, right? Come on, baby. You just never know what you can find, man. I found a few buckles here too already. So some older ones than I just found. But I've been just changing frequencies here in the last few minutes. I tried 7 kilohertz and it did not work. Right. I was getting way too much EMI. Major overload here. Right here. It could be a mason lid right on the surface. Or it could be a pop can. Right? Or it could be something even better. Right. Go easy with it. Right. Go really easy with it, man. Right in there. It's a pop can right there. Right. Got to get through this modern trash here. There's quite a bit of pop cans when I first got here. So. But I'm going to head down to a curb strip that they're tearing out here in just a couple minutes. I'm going to grab my iron around that tree there. They're tearing out some sidewalks downtown in my area, and there's some really old sidewalks, so I'm really excited about that. Jim just called me up a few minutes ago and told me that they were tearing out the old sidewalks. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna jump right on that. Right when they leave today, right when those workers leave today, I'm gonna be stalking them, right? Right when they leave, I am gonna pound that freaking curb strip up, because those curb strips downtown, when they take out the sidewalks or even the streets, are loaded with all kinds of goodies. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.